Today's class I am going to discuss about how to simplify the Boolean expression using Boolean laws and Boolean theorems. So this laws and theorem already we discussed in previous video. If you need it, kindly refer the video. So then only you understand these problems. Now we move on to session. So here I am taking three problems. So after simplification of this Boolean expression, what is the result of y? That we will find. We will discuss one by one. Let me take first problem. Y equal to a dot b bar plus a bar plus ab the whole bar. So before solving the problem, first I write the De Morgan's theorem. So De Morgan's theorem. So it has a two theorem. So first one is a dot b the whole bar equal to a bar plus b bar. So already I told, if I need to break the bar, you change the sign. So a bar plus b bar. And second theorem, a plus b the whole bar equal to a bar dot b bar. So it's a De Morgan's theorem. Using this De Morgan's theorem, I am going to simplify the Boolean expression. So in this expression, we have a two product term, a dot b the whole bar and ab. So first I take this product term, a dot b the whole bar. So this a dot b the whole bar, you just apply the Boolean expression. Here the result is a bar plus b bar. So this result is applied here. So a bar plus b bar plus a bar plus ab the whole bar. So after applying the De Morgan's theorem, you just get the equation like this: a bar plus b bar plus a bar plus ab. So in this expression, we have two a bar. So a bar plus a bar. A bar plus a bar. So a bar plus a bar means you will get the result a bar. So it's a result. So this result is substituted in this equation. So a bar plus b bar plus ab the whole bar. A bar plus b bar plus ab the whole bar. Then, so y equal to a bar plus b bar plus ab the whole bar. Then I just apply the De Morgan's second theorem in this Boolean expression. So a plus b plus c the whole bar equal to a bar dot b bar dot c bar. So in this expression, this a bar is considered as a. So this one considers b. So this one considers c. So a plus b plus c the whole bar equal to a bar dot b bar dot c bar. So a double bar dot b double bar dot ab. Just you break the bar and change the sign. So break the bar and change the sign. Here instead of plus you use dot. Here break the bar and change the sign. So this is the De Morgan second theorem. So then a double bar equal to a. So it's a double negation law. Just to cancel this bar. Then b double bar equal to b. Cancel the double bars. So a dot b dot ab the whole bar. So here apply the De Morgan's first theorem. So theorem number 1. So a dot b a bar plus b bar. We just multiply this term with this one, a bar plus b bar. So a dot dot b plus a dot b dot b bar. So here a dot a bar equal to 0. B dot b bar equal to 0. So 0 dot b plus a dot 0. Then y equal to, this term goes to 0, this term goes to 0, y equal to 0. So after simplification of this Boolean expression, y value equal to 0. This laws and theorem already we discussed in previous video. Kindly refer the video. Then go to second problem. Y equal to a b bar plus a bar b plus AB plus A bar B bar. So in this problem we have a 4 product term. You just check which term is common, just you take it out. So here let me consider this 2 product term. So in this 2 product term B bar is common. So in this 2 product term B bar is common. Then you consider this 2 product term. So here B is common term. So B is common term. So B bar A plus A bar plus B A plus A bar. So A plus A bar equal to 1. So B bar dot 1 plus B dot 1. So B bar plus B, so is equal to 1. Y equal to 1. So after simplification of this Boolean expression, the result is 1. So then come to the third problem. Y equal to A B bar C plus A bar B C plus A B C. So in this problem we have a 3 product terms. So each term consider 3 variables. So in these 3 variables, which term is common? Just you take it out. Here A, B, A and C. So A and C is common term. A, C, I just take it out. B bar plus B. So B bar plus B. Here A bar, B, C. So B bar plus B equal to 1. Then A, C plus A bar, B, C. So here C is the common term. Just you take it out. A plus A bar B. So A plus A bar B equal to A plus B. So this also I proved in previous video. If you needed, kindly refer the video. So C into A plus B. So Y equal to C into A plus B. So after simplification of this Boolean expression, Y equal to C dot A plus B. So I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.